thankfully, Laravel offers the best of both worlds. Well, okay. How do I know what extensions I need? Literally, everyone's fighting each other already. How can you guys be fighting each other? Unironically, checking out PHP. Yes, Laravel. For a while. You didn't know Camel the PHP compiler? Dang, they caught me. No, we're just gonna check it out because I want to build a website with it, and I want to just see. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Like, I want to test it out for a while. Even if later we just steal the ideas and OCaml, don't tell anyone. That's so I want to give it a test drive. Right? You know what I'm saying? Like, I mean, I'm not saying I'm definitely going to steal the ideas, but like we could maybe. Weird out the window. Exactly. Okay, update title. Okay. Let's just move to here. We'll start a new Laravel PHP. Okay. Ah! Sorry, chat. There we go. And everyone's blind. 3 seconds of looking at PHP. Boom. Everyone's eyes are gone. Gone. Get started. We need to have PHP. Wait, why is this off everywhere right now? Getting started. Dependency manager for PHP. That's what we need. Apt install lamp. I don't know if that's a meme or not. Handy framework for real. I know, that's why we're gonna go look at it, chat. Could have done this file, review it on GitHub. Locally to install, see the downloads page. Do I even have, I probably have a really old version of PHP as well, right? I don't have PHP. That's a surprise, actually. Circles? I don't know what I want to call this. We'll just call it circles, it's fine. It's not the right name for it, but that's okay. You don't install PHP, you use Docker. No. If I asked during the end of the conf, you said you think about Hunter non-future. What are the plans currently? Currently, I don't have any plans for it because I'm not really like, I'm not ready to anything. Because I don't have any time for it. How do I get PHP? You know, I'm not planning on deleting it anytime soon. I wouldn't delete it if people were still getting value from some of it. Brew? I don't know. Where? How can I get a? I just get a new one here. What version of PHP is this gonna be? Okay, 8. Nice. I'll need to install that. RIP. I just started installing this. But I have PHP 8. That's good enough for me. Oh, that's good. This is fine, right? Do I need 8.2 or can I do 8.1? PHPers in the chat. Where are my PHPers at? Only. All right. Well, we'll just start with this one. Quick install. I guess I can do it in the current directory. It's just literally this. Just check out Laravel Sale, Valet, or Herd. I don't know what those are. I just run this. Oh, that's cool. Composer. Okay. You pinged? Say features 4.x. All right, so I have Composer now, supposedly. It's kind of annoying that... Can I not install this, like... I don't want to just install this here. Can I just move Composer to local bin Composer like this? I don't think it'll matter, right? Nice. As their sale package for quick Docker setup. Okay. I'm here, Jersey. Yeah, we're doing it. Composer's like OPAM? I don't know. It just says I need this. You create a new Laravel project doing this. Is this going to do it in a new directory? So let's do rm-rf circles. I can do this, and we can say composer, create project, Laravel, circles. PHP is a new JS framework? It is. Yep. Never composer for anything except WordPress. So, okay, I'm literally following Laravel's docs right here. Creating a Laravel project. I'm following the docs. Your requirements, Laravel is missing. Install PHP's XML. How's it? Jersey! I'll follow the docs for Laravel sale. I just went to Laravel. Install. Get started. Creating Laravel project. Okay. Sudo apt install PHP 8.1 XML. Okay. We're in, chat. We'll try this again. Yeah, it must be. We're in, chat. We're in. This is Berkeley Mono. You install whatever chat tells you to every time. Every time. What up, Cotter? PHP Artisan Serve. You get started on your application will be accessible in 8,000. Nice. I still didn't do it. X curl. How do I install all of these? How do I know what extensions I need? Nice, okay. That's what I already have that though. Do you build Laravel like framework for OCaml? We'll see. All right, we'll try this again. Composer, create project circles. List of extensions required for Laravel, Linux, PHP. I don't know. Oh, nice. Thanks, Jersey. I probably, is there not like a, there's not like a one copy pasta for this? I'd install all required. You can use the following. That's kind of annoying. Okay, well, it worked now. The rest of them must have already been there. Okay. PHP artisan serve. Artisan serve. Oh, yeah, look at this, chat. We're live, baby. We're live. I'm done. I got a website. Lambo in the mail. Sale is that copy pasta? Okay, well, we'll look at Laravel sale. Introduction. Let's read it. Laravel is a lightweight command line interconnecting Laravel's default Docker deployment environments. Great starting point. Using PHP, MySQL, Redis without requiring Docker experience. Sales script stored at the root of your project. Oh, that's cool. Okay. Okay. As a Laravel dev. As a Laravel dev. Oh, that's pretty funny. All right, we'll come back to this later. Can I come back to this later? It looks like I can come back to this later. If we run into more problems, then we'll do it. Installation, configuration. I don't really care about any of this yet. Directory structure. We need to get Neovim and Jersey. What do I need for Neovim and PHP? IntelliFence. Install PHP Actor LSP. Oh no. They're already fighting. PHP Actor is the best. Literally everyone's fighting each other already. How can you guys be fighting each other? Which one should I be using? PHP Actor is free. Under freemium. What are the things that are not free? What part is not free? These? I do kind of want rename. It's the most PHP looking website ever. How much does it cost? $20? You have to pay for your LSP to work? I mean, I'm not opposed to the idea. Wait, what? PHP with Laravel, last week things work better. No, it's not free. Go to December as non-free option. We'll have to give it a whirl again. Pay for your help. All right, well, we'll just try PHP Actor for today. Nothing like some good old copy pasta, chat. I'm not afraid. Nice. Okay. All right. So then we just need to do actor setup. Nice. Nothing else for this. Okay. Sure. We'll do PHP actor true. I've got to have some PHP things here, right? Yep. Nice. We've got some indexing going. Any reason you're not on PHP 3? Because I just did sudo apt install PHP. We can go to the latest version. I don't care. Sweet. Is that easy, chat? I don't know what any of these things are, but that's fine. You guys have traits now? What about this? Okay, but we are going to do this, though. Can I do this? Oh, right. I need to do this way. Nice. Okay. So I'm going to just make it so that this looks like, I'm just going to set conceal char. How do I do this again? I'm just going to set it so that this doesn't look like a slash this way eventually. Laravel IDE helper. Trait, is this Rust? I know. Oh, that's cool. All right, well, we can check some of this out later. I'm not super worried about this so far. I just wanted at least to get basic autocomplete shenanigans going, right? We have like models or something. Day in the life of a Laravel dev. Yeah, that makes sense. It makes sense. I get it. I get how frameworks work, particularly frameworks that were developed before typing was more popular in a language. That's totally fine. All right, well, let's do a little bit of reading, shall we? Is this getting started? Directory structure. We probably read this, right? App contains core code. Bootstrap contains the app PHP file, which bootstraps the framework. Okay. Config contains all config. We have a database. Database member. Oh, nothing like some good old factories, boys. How long will you stream before you get your lamp? I think it's in the mail. I think it's in the mail. Define the model's default state. Okay, cool. A bunch of this is pretty interesting. Making different models. Okay, sweet. Okay. Yeah, as soon as you install Composer, I think it's in the mail. Which is the entry point for all requests. Okay. Does every file have to start with this? Use Illuminati. It's confirmed that's how you get the Lambos. Okay, cool. Resources, roots. How would you otherwise know it's a PHP file? Well, you don't have to close it, though? You can just open it and then you don't have to close it? Oh, no. That seems worse. You should have to close it if you have to open it. Oh, man. All right. Roots directory contains all the route definitions for your application. By default, several root files are included: web, API, console, and channels. Web contains web middle group, provides session state, CSR. I mean, all this is like, I don't want to make these. This is great. Auth sanctum. Man, there's just so much stuff in here already. Nice, it's great. Closing causes legacy. Wait, so actually closing is actually bad. It's not just okay. It's not just like you could do it. It actually breaks things. That's pretty funny. Console PHP is where you may define all your closure-based console commands. Each closure is bound to command, allowing a simple approach to interacting with each command's IO methods. The file does not define HTTP routes. Okay, channels, event broadcasting. Okay. Here you may register all of the event processing channels that are application supports. Given channel block are used to check if an authenticated user can listen to the channel. I don't know what this means. Jersey classic. Logs, blah, blah, blah. Tests. We don't need that. We're in PHP land. Vendor is composer directory. Okay. Directory is namespace in our app and is auto-load by currently your PSR for loading. Ah, classic. This is a classic. Classic broadcasting contains all the broadcast channels. These classes are generated using the make channel command. The directory does not exist by default. Will create when you create your first channel. Event broadcasting. I probably shouldn't read about this yet because it's probably not even. Let's not do that. If it's not there by default, we should wait. We should wait. Okay, so there's a lot of directories. Front end. Routing, validation, caching, queues, file storage, and more. Sweet. That's great. That's what I want. Yeah, we're gonna do some simple stuff to start with. And we're gonna work our way to a bigger website. Read about controllers, routes, and models. Okay. Use Laravel for 1 year now, and I love it. Nice. I do know MVC, yeah. Why Laravel all of a sudden? Because I wanted to make a website. So I'm going to try it. PHP and Blade. Okay. I know people use Blade. Actualizations and fast forward submission to other pages, including an entirely new HTML document. Even today may actually first see that in front of corrections away. Okay. Turbo, Hotwire, and Simulus. Yep, I'm familiar. Livewire. Livewire components that render. I know people like this, don't they? PHP plus YAML. Shut your mouth. We'll do PHP, but don't let YAML cross your lips. Laravel, can I use Laravel and OCaml? I don't see why not. Livewire components. Use Livewire component. Counter. Oh, this looks cool. That's allowed, Jersey. If you want to learn Laravel and PHP, I just stick with Blade for now. Can switch to Vue or something else later. We're not doing JavaScript. We're going to do something. Either we're doing Blade or we're going to try Livewire or we're going to do HTMX with a combination of the two. Inertia. Okay. Thankfully, Laravel offers the best of both worlds. Well, okay. Inertia. Oh, no. I don't want to do this, though. This is like you can do something with these two things. Yeah, I don't want to do that. Oh, wait. Okay. Well, exactly, Hans. Yeah, we can. I know we can do HTMX. You want to know how I know we can do HTMX? Because we can do this. So since you can do this, you can do HTMX. Right? So, like, that's the nice thing. Bring your own backend, right? Wire, click, increment. So how do you... So this goes to this name. That's pretty cool. Does this send a backend request? Jersey, does this, like, send a full round trip request for this kind of thing? So this, like, goes to the backend. Or no? Sweet. Okay, that's cool. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Hotwire is very similar idea from what I've read about it. Yeah. Very cool. If you would like to build your front end use PHP and Laravel, you can leverage our Breeze or Jetstream starter kits. Rapid to offer authentication. We can start these automatically scaffold while you're welcome to use these sources and not required. You're free to build your own. Blah, blah, blah. Minimal, simple configuration. Oh, cool. Okay. David Heinemeyer Hansen. Well, I had to come in. Well, welcome, JD. We're doing dev right now as well. First, you should create a new configure data restaurant data migration. You create a new Laravel. So I can just install Breeze in this if I wanted. Do I want Breeze, Jersey? Or should I just start with Livewire and we can add it later? Because I think I want to do Livewire. It looks cooler. I don't want to do this. It's rad. Okay. What's the purpose of what you're building? We're going to build a photo sharing website for me that I can send photos to my family usually. Okay, here's a separate question, Jersey. I'm going to have to write something completely different. Like, there's no way for me to do, like, PHP on people's phones, right? Like, the only thing I want is, like, an app that lets people automatically sync their pictures, basically. Like, I could just write something else, like, for myself, basically. I'll just do that part later. That's fine. Yeah, that's okay. Me neither. Okay, so Laravel version 10, PHP 8.1. Okay, nice. We have that. Composer require Livewire. Nice. Okay, we're in. Okay, this is the same thing that we just saw, where we saw a counter, right? What would this even return? View returns like a string or a view? String path. I don't know. Yeah, that's fine. Artisan serve, right? So then I need to basically add this somehow into my thing. Oh, vendor has a bunch of stuff that I don't want. Do people usually commit vendor or no? What's your usual? Oh, nice. Okay. It's node modules. Okay. Git ignore PHP. Is this that's a long git ignore. Is this still good? Where's that git ignore generator? Oh, nice. Okay, sweet. It does, yeah. Okay, so now I shouldn't have any vendor stuff. Okay, great. That is a lot less files. That's nice. So now if I go to like index, how can I put my... How do I put this inside of anything, right? Okay, great. While I do consider okay with being close to optimal high level language, there's still improvements. No LGPL, more reason. Yeah, it would be nice to have more of a comp time style thing, or like a different kind of macro system or something. Don't touch your index, it's all in resource views. Okay. Welcome. Is there a blade? There's no blade. Blade. Jersey, this is the thing that you were talking about. Wow, that's quite a nice style here. Treesitter blade. Find the URLs at routes web PHP. Okay. Route get counter. Okay. Oh, this doesn't auto import it? Got it. That didn't auto import. Got it. Does this not, this doesn't update, or does it update? Call to undive lap. Oh, what? Oh, what the heck? Oh, do I need to do like counter render like this? What I'm not doing, I'm obviously not doing something correctly here. Route get counter class. Oh, okay. Return value must have type. Doesn't need to be there's no. I thought this is what I did. Counter just doesn't have layout component yet in the view side. Okay, so I just did something. Livewire counter PHP. This isn't right. Livewire page component layout view not found. Component.layouts.app. I think it just didn't add it correctly when I. Request capture. That's for full page Livewire component. The example component is not meant to be a full page. Got it. Okay. So how do I make a full page? Writing the class, open app Livewire counter, and replace it with the following. Okay. Well, I don't want to do that. Writing the view. Open the resources, Livewire, and then do this. Okay, we'll do that part. Once the counter class, create a template layout. We didn't get that far. Chat. That's the problem. This may have been noticed. No job. Okay, sweet. So now. Yep, just ran that like literally 2 seconds ago. 2 seconds ago. So now, nice. Hello. Sweet. Sorry if I blinded all of you. Then we can make this public function increments, right? I want to write it myself. I'm not just going to copy it in. So you would say public, and I have to put a $sign here, right? Count is 1. You can do plus plus. This count plus plus. Okay. I don't have an auto formatter on this. That makes so much sense. The Lambos. I'm with you now. Okay, I'll leave it running and we'll test it out. What do you guys use for auto formatting in PHP? All right, and then I will copy the blade thing. Is this right? So that's the wrong type of view. Import view. I don't know. Is that right? Nice. Plus minus. Oh, we're in, chat. We're so back. Have you looked at Laravel Pint? No. PHP so style fixer for minimalist. Nice. That's what I want. I don't want to think about it at all. Just do it. You can fix code style things available in your project vendor bin. You may also want to run Pint on particular things. Conform Envim. Let's see if it already has Pint support. Beautiful. There's so much PHP hate in the world. So far, we've only got happiness. Okay, we can. Okay, we can just do that. So now I think conform info. I wonder if this needs to say, does this is looking for a vendor. I need to add this to like my local. Oh, because this is done. Someone's installing this via like Mason. I don't think this works for me though. Yeah, so I have it installed, I'm pretty sure. Vendor bin pint, right? Okay, I have it installed. Oh. It's this. Where's the NB string extension? Sudo apt install PHP 8 MB string. Yep. I see. Nice. Okay. So now I should be able to run this. Oh yeah, baby. It's a little long. But that's okay. What are you going to do? It just gives us bloated PHP install. That's okay. It's really not a big deal. I'm a complete believer that if you're not a very beginner programmer, spending like a few minutes setting up an environment should not decide whether you're going to choose this thing for a long-term solution or not. That seems really dumb. If I'm going to never have to think about hundreds of other problems in my project, it's insane to think, oh my goodness, I had to run 3 extra commands after Googling something. Shake my head. Okay? Shake my head. SHM. Blah, blah, blah. But you're wrong about YAML. Shake heads my ham. Where was the conform? Did I already close that? I wanted to kind of check the. I wanted to look at what it did for pint. Okay, so it just does it over the file. All right, that's cool. No, it looks file. Yeah, that's literally what I was just checking as well. Yeah. Shake my hand, sir. Okay, so this is really cool. Unfortunately, right, if we go to like Blade and we go here, there's no way to be like, hey, I'm on increment. I want to go to increment or something like that, right? There's no like wiring between the two. Okay, so I think I need to do, where was that treesitter blade? Okay. Okay, so this is still getting some updates. Does it have a how you should install this? You need to compile it locally. You can do it like this. I've seen this done many a time. Add queries for highlighting, etc. Yeah, that's fine. This is good. This one is what you want to do as well. All right. Well, it's already detecting that it's blade. So it already knows that part. So pretty much we just need to do this. And then is this really all you need to do? That's pretty nice. Oh, whoops. Nice, that's good. TS edit query blade. Yes. TS in tree. Oops, inspect tree. Are we actually getting this here? So why am I not getting tag? Queries highlight after blade. Oh. Duh. Rename this to highlights. Or is it highlight or highlights? I literally forget every single time. Yo, what up, Lurip? Here, let's actually, we'll try this with doing some restarts just to make sure that there's nothing silly. Okay, so it doesn't like that there's no bracket one. So this is just wrong. We should just remove this one. No highlight groups found. Okay. Do I not have a highlight for tag? Oh, this is text. PHP statement. Wait, it thinks this is text? What? That doesn't make sense. This is just all wrong. This is just completely wrong. Yeah, but I'm saying like these are just, this one's just wrong straight up. Like it's there's no longer like, these are all just wrong, I'm pretty sure. Because there's no content at all, right? I think we need to use that, right? Yeah. TS edit query. And let's do injections, right? Okay, nice. I mean, it's not amazing right now. Drill tag links to tag. Are all of these, I guess these are all just tags, right? So I mean, but wouldn't I want something else? Tag.attribute. We should make attributes different colors. I just don't really have very many colors, I think, for my HTML. I think this is probably how it would look if it's basically HTML. Save anything the next time for a PHP here? What sort of VODs? I want to watch this treesitter stuff. I'll upload the VOD later, Jersey. To YouTube. But I'm a little behind, so there'll be a bit of a delay. So I think I don't even need this. Like, there's just nothing about this probably that is getting highlighted, right? There's only directive tag. Okay, that makes sense. Maybe. Okay, so some of these are fine, right? Like, I guess you would have comments. That makes sense. All right, let's go ahead and close everything down. I probably want to add some different colors to like this. Because this is just not that nice. Like, just having this be tab. What should I color this? This is attribute name. We should make this like purple or something, or some different color. Actually, all code is just text. Dang, he's got me. Dang it. Oh, dang, Caleb, you're working on this. Okay, sweet. That's cool. Nice. We'll have to check it out later. How long do you expect to use Laravel? I don't know. If I'm having fun with it, I might use it for a while. Okay, so what do I want to do here? All right, I was gonna go to. Oops, not this. We'll just do the same thing here. Highlight at inspect tag.attribute.html, tag.attribute.html. We can just say type or something like that, right? Okay, that looks pretty good. That's at least better. You know what I'm saying? Okay, that's at least not so yelling. I use awesome WM. Well, not Scala, do a PHP. Configuring all this stuff, you must have nerves. What do you mean? Take a look at Symfony. It's way better than Laravel. Many folks will learn more from Symfony framework. I'm going to probably just use Laravel. Because that's what Jersey knows. God, just needs to toughen up. What do you use for auto pairing brackets? I don't. I might if I was writing a lot more HTML though. If I was writing a lot of HTML, we'd probably do it. Oh, we should keep this one around because we might look at this later. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. We don't need that. We're not gonna. Well, we'll keep sail around for later too. Lambos. Okay. We don't need this. Okay, we got all these. I'm not gonna do that right now. Okay. Karen! It's not possible to watch your previous thoughts. It is, actually. You can go to here, and we upload them to YouTube's. We're just a little bit behind. Also, on a side note, if anyone would like to review VODs for leaks and or possibly cut and do some light edits of like, you know, me going to the bathroom for 3 minutes and things like that, or like getting coffee, that would be awesome. If you want to, reach out to me. Yes. Yes, I did, Piano Composer. Yeah, I'll upload the whole PHP thing for free. No, I would pay you. Ideally, you'd want to do a split on what the YouTube channel is going to make, which right now is not very much. I would pay you some minimum amount to do it. But like ideally, we'd enter into a long-term partnership where we're both investing into the VODs channel to try and make some monies. But yeah. All that is combine them together and make it through. Exactly. Like, I would split the VODs channel revenue 50-50 with somebody who wanted to do it. Yeah, this one. Right, like, right now it's making nothing, effectively. Like, I would have to pay some money out of pocket. That's fine. Aren't you married? Good point. Good point. But we just started posting within the last, I don't know, like, month, basically, and we've been climbing, so. Right, so I would love to have shorts made from it and all the other things, etc. Right? But I don't have anybody right now that wants to do it because the guy who was doing it just had real life stuff come up and can't do it anymore. So, anyways, I got to figure that situation out at some point. Because ideally we'd be posting like at least Monday through Friday. Do you mean videos on demand? Yeah. Is there actually a website for doing this? I mean, it seems like there would be, but the main problem, I'm watching on it. I watched all. Nice, Royal. Very cool. No, that's an OCaml module. Ah, nice. That would be good too. Using React. Don't worry, we're not going to. We're using Livewire, like a Giga Chad. Of course. There's also Livewire scaling. Livewire is a powerful way. Livewire is a great fit for teams. White templates looking for a simple alternative to JavaScript to use Livewire stack. Breeze install. Migrate. Okay, well, we're going to come back to this later because that's what we want to do. Game engine in PHP. Oh, that's definitely coming next. Deployment. Don't care. We're not that far yet. Oh, that's not what we're doing. Commands. Edit today. We're learning Laravel. Yeah, we're doing HHVM. Yep. Doing some hack. Game engine and OCaml with PHP backend. Smart, chat. Anyways, if anybody is interested in reaching out about the VODs thing, just join the Discord and then ping me and we can chat. And you feel more confident in how the tool works. Agreed. It's a great. I like it. Nice. Goal of them to give a good high level overview of how this works and make it feel less magical. Excellent. All requests are directed to file by your web server. Doesn't contain much code, rather starting point, coder, blah blah blah. List mode does not work for me in Neovim. Not sure what to tell you. It's already native Laravel apps. Nice. Next thing is either HTTP kernel or console kernel, depending on the type of the request. Let's just use the HTTP app HTTP kernel. Okay. Okay, middleware. Nice. We want to make a website. This even has throttling and everything. I mean, this chat, this is great. Why do I need to? I don't need to write this for myself. But we do need to change these to forward slashes. Is Laravel fast? It's going to be fast enough. Yep, that's all good. Method extension for PHP, HTTP's kernel handle is quite simple. Receives a request and returns a response. Think of the kernel as being a big black box. Oh, cool. Okay, that's great. The backsplashes. Well, so I was thinking of doing conceal char. What's the HL conceal? I don't remember how to do this. Sin conceal. The easiest way is to just do chsar. Yeah. Syntax. I don't know. What is this? Entity? I don't remember. Help syntax match. Syn match. I don't remember. There's like a super easy way to do this where you just go not contained. I just want to do a literal syntax arguments. Find six and take a number of arguments. Like syntax match this. Conceal. Char is this. Like I just want to do this, right? Oh, right. I got to do like this. But I don't remember what I need to do. Backslash is the PHP namespace preparatory. Yeah, but I just think they're ugly. Right? So I just want them to look like this. That's all. They don't work forward slash. I know. That's why I conceal. I just don't remember what the thing is. I don't remember what the thing is for it. Conceal. Syntax syntax keyword. Syn display. Syn keyword. I don't remember how to do this either. Group name options. Syntax keyword. Ugly. Dang, is that not it either? Set conceal level is 3. 2. Now we're talking. Look at this, chat. There we go. We just make it disappear. We can make them disappear, chat. And then when our cursor's on the line, it can show us. I just don't want this. I don't want to see the backslashes. Yeah, can your VS Code do that? I don't think so. I mean, I'm sure I'm sure it can, but /life. Service providers are responsible for bootstrapping all components database queue. Okay. Providers. Either the register method will be called on all the providers, and once all the providers have been registered, the boot method will be called on each provider. Okay. Providers. Auth service. Nice. Boot. Route service. Broadcast service. Okay, cool. Nice. Cool, I like it. One of the most important is the route service provider. Route service provider. Route, middleware, web, group, base path, route, web. Okay, interesting. Tell me your Unix percent. Tell me. It just kills me a little bit. You know what I mean? You're looking for Laravel because feature reach. There's a slim fingers. Oh hey Bosch. Hey, thanks for the sub. And Flurip, did I think I said woo PHP, but I didn't say thanks for the sub. So appreciate it. I'm gonna just try Laravel. You're not gonna convince me to try anything else, chat. I'm gonna try Laravel. You can try, but I'm just gonna tell you. I'm just gonna try Laravel. The request will be handed off the router for dispatching. The router will dispatch requests to a router controller as well as any route-specific middleware. Middleware provides convenient mechanism for filtering and examining HTTP requests. What are you doing for front end? Livewire. For now. I hate PHP, but I love Laravel. That's the point. PHP. Thanks, Augustine. HTMX. We may end up using HTMX as well. Yeah, I know. Elixir and Phoenix would also be cool. Would you also go to Unixversity? I didn't, but it would be pretty cool to go. PHP. Okay, this totally makes sense though. I get this whole thing. I'll forget the names, of course, but we'll get back to it later. Yeah, the only reason we're doing PHP is to fish for big gifties from someone who's really sad that PHP has been maligned. You know what I mean? So we're just fishing. I'm sure it's gonna work soon, chat. I'm sure it's gonna work. For the views. Yes, I pick my languages based on the views. That's why I do OCaml. Piano Composer? Oh, did you write PHP? All I know so far is Composer. Okay, now it's not fun anymore. Powerful domain class dependency for dependency injection. So this is for containers. Okay. User repository. Okay, I know, I'm familiar with this concept. Yep. In this context, user repository most likely uses Eloquent. I've seen Jersey use this name before. I think you should just start building. I'm just gonna read through here. It's okay. I want to read a little bit about some of this stuff. I don't mind reading for a while. We'll have plenty of time to build. Sorry, chat. Able to easily swap out another position, mock, or create a dummy. Yeah, that's fine. Die. This is game changing. Well, I don't get it yet though. Class service. Class has no dependencies. So you can place the following code in your web PHP. Class service. In this example, hitting your application / route will automatically resolve the service class and inject it into your route's handler. It means you can develop your application and take advantage of a dependency injection without worrying about bloated configuration files. I don't get this. What just happened? What does my current web PHP file look like? Can you explain why people use Vim/Neovim instead of VS Code? Sure, first off, we censor that here. But you can watch my long answer is in that video, and it's pretty much, it's fun. It's all writing for dependency injection. Yeah, but so class, it's looking for a thing that's called service. I don't really get it. Read, look for errors for me. Yeah, I mean, I can do all of the things that you're talking about. Like, you want to go to the definition of something, right? Like, I can just go to the definition as well, right? Or like, oh, I want to find the references. Oh, there's no references really. Oh, so it just goes to that one. So that's not as... But rejected the server just created. Yeah, but doesn't it die? Oh, I see what you're saying. Like... No, I still... You can develop your thing only under classes. Okay, so it does die. I thought it like magically didn't die somehow. Okay, got it. So this puts this inside here. Function service. Does it know that this is here because of this? You'll be writing when building Laravel automatically receive the dependencies via the container. Putting controllers. Additionally, you may type in dependency in the handle once you taste the power of this. Okay, sure. Thanks to Zero, you will often type hint dependencies on routes elsewhere without ever manually interacting with the container. For example, you might type hint this request object. Wait, so the type hints do something? So this like changes what this does. Could I call this other thingy and then this does other thingy thing? So like if I go like this, right? More than just hints. Okay, so they actually do stuff. So if I do like class my thing, right? And then we do route get test, and we go function my thing thingy, and we do die thingy. Like this? You're saying that this does something different? Class, my thing. They have to be on different... My thing not found. Semicolon. Nice. Okay. You didn't bind my thing to container. It's not that magical. I felt like I copied it exactly. Class, service. What is the container that I'm binding? Where is this happening, Jersey? Route get. You don't have to bind a container if it's in the same namespace. That class has no namespace. I feel like I just copied this. Does it have to be called service? That's what I'm wondering. Right, so if I say service. Oh. Well, this doesn't have a namespace. If I call this service, right? Okay, it doesn't have to be called service. It's just the name of the class. Right. Oh, instead of exit, I'll say die. Or to change this to exit. Okay. Can you actually run it? I don't know. Let's test it. It is the LSP. It's just LSP. Well, that sucks. What the heck? Okay, well, we'll just ignore it for now. That's fine. I don't know. Usually put a class into a separate file. Okay, that's fine. I'll skip for now. Equals 0, you'll often, for example, you might type hint the request object in so you can easily access the current request. Now you have to interact with the container or the code. It is managing the dependencies behind the scene. Route get function request. Thanks to automatic tweaking in facades, you can build Laravel without manually binding or resolving an external container. Okay, I don't think we're gonna read this part yet. This part seems more than we need for right now. Basic routing. We already got this part going, right? Gretting. Cool. That makes sense. Interesting, Jersey. Okay. Default routes are defined in routes file. You can do fn hello for short functions. Ooh. Oh, this is the thing Jersey did in his Why do PHP people like so many extra spaces? Why are there so many extra spaces all the time? By defining routes in web PHP, the routes find under this. So this part I get. The access the following route by navigating to this class index. So we haven't written that yet. Okay. Dude, extra space is 100%. No, I'm not doing 150% line height. I'm not going to do it. I know all the PHP people love 100% line height. It's terrible. It's terrible. Available router methods. Route, get, post, put, patch, delete. Oh my goodness. Hypermedia. Hatoaz. Okay, this makes sense. This is cool. CSRF for, yep. Okay, this is cool. Nice. Redirect here, there. Sweet. Okay, nice. View routes. Routes only need to return a view. You may also do a route view method like the redirect. This provides a simple shortcut so you do not have to find a full router controller. The view method accepts URI as the first argument and a view name. I don't know what that means yet. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's test it. Cool. It's got like some Livewire stuff, some greeting. Nice. Very cool. Straight to view. Ah, okay. Cool. Route parameters. Okay, sweet. So this is how we get IDs out. So let's say I do this, right? Can I also do like request? Does this still work? Does PHP somehow know? Oh my goodness. Who puts these together? Are there template strings or something I can use? User ID. Okay, so let's try it. U double. But I just did that and then it went away. I thought, oh, no, it was just, okay. Sweet. Okay, awesome. So it just magically figures this out. Well, it definitely worked. That's pretty cool. I like that. Yeah, I'm not worried about actually printing it. I was just wondering, like, does it actually get the request? So what happens if I do this, right? Where I, like, switch the order of them. It still is fine. It doesn't care. That's pretty cool. +1 for PHP, chat. Route parameters are injected into the route callbacks controller based on their order. They don't. The names don't matter. Okay. It has to dynamically. I'm pretty sure. Oh, hey, literally just what I said. Optional params, nice. With defaults, okay, cool. Regular expression constraints. Oh no. I'm literally on a watch list right now. What? Guy took me off? What the heck? I thought it was getting written up. What happened? I got canceled. I got canceled. I know. I'm worried. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this if this doesn't work. Some commonly used instructions have helper methods. Where number, ID, where alpha name. Oh, cool. Oh, sweet. +1 again for Laravel. If you like a route parameter, always be constrained. You can use pattern method in the boot method. So this goes here, route service provider. And I can just put in route pattern key ID pattern, and we can say 09 plus, like this. You're saying I can just do this, and I go back to here, and so when I do this, this will work. But if I say hello, very cool. That's very cool as well. Keep an over note. You can globally restrict patterns by doing some cool stuff like this. Okay. Nice. If allows. Okay. Yes, that makes sense. You can only do that at the end. User profile. Name profile. What's my name by changing? Oh, so this is like if you wanna do /user, and normally you can do hello, but this one isn't that. That is a classic, Jersey. That is a classic. Generating URLs to named routes. Redirect route profile to routes. URLs route profile. Oh, so this is how I can make routes for other places in the Oh, this names this thing profile? Route profile? Oh, okay, so these have to be the same. Okay. Got it. I see that now because I just got to the next section. So then I can say, hey, I want to make a route to this name. And then to do it. Yep. Very cool. Finding them good, PHP and Laravel. So far I've mostly just read docs and trying out some stuff from the docs, but so far lots of really good ideas. You would like to turn current request was route to a given named route. You may use named on a route instance. For example, you may check the current route and a name from the route middleware. Interesting. Okay. So you can check if this is a thing that's named that. Sweet. Route groups allow you to share route attributes in middleware, a large number of routes without needing to find those attributes. Okay. Ah, cool. Grouped. Sweet. So you can do groups. If a group of routes all use the same controller, you use the controller method to define the common controller for all the routes within the group. Then when defining the only product controller route method. I don't know enough yet about controllers to understand this. We should probably read this at some point as well. Oh, you can prefix them? Nice. Route groups may also be able to handle subdomains. Subdomains you assign to route parameters just like URLs. But you can just... What? You can just make subdomains? I thought this was supposed to be hard, right? So you gotta register these, but then like after that it's easy? So like if I go and register my subdomain, then I could just do this and then it's just done? Here's prefix. Yep. That's very cool. We can do route prefix. This means prefix, obviously. The name method may be used to prefix each route in a group with a given string. Oh, sweet. Okay. Route name can be used. Okay, interesting. That's kind of interesting because it's like the reverse version of this, but okay. Okay. I have to go pee. Sorry.